Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this LEMFO main smartwatch. Of course, if you're a woman or something else, you can wear this smartwatch too. It's no problem, okay? With phone function. It's a 1.43 inches AMOLED, AMOLED. That means it's a special HD always on screen. Yeah, this is a nice watch. It looks really cool. It is not so a big one. It is medium size. It's a smartwatch with a sleep monitor, heart rate monitor, and of course SpO2. So this is a health tracker for you. This helps you to make your health data recorded. That's cool. It is equipped with over 100 sports modes, so you can perform a nice workout while you wear this smartwatch. Because it's a fitness tracker. This is the LEMFO LF35. The color is black. The screen size is 1.43 inches. And you can make a Bluetooth call. And of course, messages are also available. We have here an AMOLED always-on display. This uses an improved ultra-clear 1.43-inch AMOLED display. It has a wider viewing area, lower energy consumption, and a wider color gamut. With this smartwatch, we can see clearly even in strong lights. That's making it more evident, a user experience and a visual effects. On top, the smartwatch is equipped with hundreds of different styles of online dials and supports DIY individual dials. So you can use the app which you paired with the watch, and the pairing is really easy. You have to download the FitCloud Pro app, and after this you have to enable on your phone the Bluetooth connection, and then you can search for the smartwatch, which is nearly. After they will pair each other, you have to agree this, then of course you're ready to have fun with that. We can make now Bluetooth calls and message notifications. The smartwatch built-in high-quality speaker and a microphone. We can directly use the smartwatch to receive or make calls. Of course, that's only possible if our smartwatch and the smartphone is nearly. Because, of course, the SIM card is in our smart phone, and this will bypass the signal via Bluetooth to our smartwatch. But it's a cool function. We can receive messages from Skype, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messengers, and other apps. This watch presents all notifications in the form of vibrations, reminders on our wrist. And we have a 24-hour health management. This smartwatch uses powerful optical chip sensors with low power consumption to help us monitor our heart rate 24 hours a day. This watch also has functions for blood oxygen monitoring and, of course, sleep monitoring that monitors our sleep time and sleep status every night. And it creates sleep reports to help us improve sleep quality and our health status. And this is a multifunctional fitness tracker too. This fitness watch supports more than 100 outdoor and indoor sports modes, including rowing, mountaineering, football, and more. During our training, our heart rate, steps, calories which we burned, distance, and other dates are recorded in real time. This helps us achieve our fitness goals through efficient and scientifically sound training. It also has about the watertight class IP68 and is therefore suitable for everyday use. And of course, nearly every location you can use it. Rainy days, no problem. Sweat days, no problem. Sunny days, no problem. Cold days, no prob. All kind of days, no prob. 24/7, no prob. And this smartwatch is compatible with iOS devices, with iOS 10 and above. And of course, you can also use it in an Android 6.0 and above machine. And it has multiple functions such as stopwatch, alert, sedentary reminder, music control, weather forecast, food control, female menstruation cycle, and so on. This smartwatch comes with 2 watch straps. The bands made of different materials to meet our matching needs on different occasions. One is a stainless steel band, and you can make a replacement easily because it's tool-free. After replacement, you can use it with the silicone band. You see, it's all in what you need. This is a fashion accessory and a smart life assistant for everyday use, of course. 1.43 inches AMOLED always on display. We can make and take calls easily. The width of this is 43 millimeter, 13 millimeter thick, and the band thickness is 150 up to 250 millimeter. We will get a stainless steel band, a silicone band, a recharging cable, and of course the watch face. The LEMFO was established in 2008. After 14 years of development, it has built up a professional team, integrated R&D, production and sales, which is widely recognized by consumers in the UK, Germany, Spain, France, and of course other countries. As long as we have a dream of smart living, we can find the products we want at LEMFO. And it looks really cool, and it's easy to navigate through the menu. You can use the touch screen to swipe up and down, right and left, or you can use the digital crown to rotate the faces, and of course you can use it as a button. This is the LEMFO Man Smartwatch with phone function. Thanks for watching, please subscribe me, and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.